Hey everyone, Manisha here. Welcome to E&T. Today, I'm sharing a diner-style chickpea curry recipe. I've had tons of requests for this dish, that delicious chickpea curry you get at Indian restaurants or roadside diners. Traditionally, it is known as Chana Masala. But here's the best part. These taste like something from a restaurant, but it's made with simple ingredients right at home. No store-bought spice mix, no complicated prep, just basic spices and a super easy method. But the flavor? Incredible. Don't bother about the spiciness, it's all upon you. You can adjust as per your requirement. This chickpea curry is packed with taste. You can enjoy it as per your wish. But traditionally it is well with cumin basmati, rice, or warm tandoori-style flatbread. It's seriously good. If you haven't subscribed to E&T yet, hit that button now. Let's dive into this amazing recipe. First things first, we're soaking the chickpeas. Here, I've got 250 grams of dried white chickpeas. Make sure to rinse them really well, then soak them in water for about 7 to 8 hours or overnight. After soaking, they'll puff up like this. Make sure to drain out the soaking water before cooking. Always rinse them once after soaking. If the weather's warm and you soak them too long, the water can start to smell funky, which means your chickpeas might pick up that smell too. So, rinse again before you cook. Now let's cook them in a pressure cooker. Add the soaked chickpeas to the pot, then toss in some whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom pod, 3 to 4 cloves. Add enough water to cover everything by about 1 inch. Season with salt and add just a pinch of baking soda. That helps soften the chickpeas while cooking. Pressure cook on high for 1 whistle, then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for about 3 to 4 more whistles, or until the chickpeas are soft. Let the pressure release naturally, then open the lid and check. They should be soft and fully cooked. Remove the whole spices. Their flavor's already infused. Set the cooked chickpeas aside. The next step is super simple too. We're blending the ingredients for our spice mix. No chopping needed, we're making 2 pastes. In a blender, toss in 3 medium onions and blend into a smooth paste. Next, add 3 tomatoes, 2 inches of fresh ginger, 2 green chilies, you may add as per your convenience, and 10 to 15 garlic cloves to the blender. Grind them all together into 1 paste. That's it. Easy and efficient. Now we're ready to cook it all together. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and 1 tablespoon of refined oil. This keeps the clarified butter from burning. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin, seeds, a pinch of carom seeds, then add the onion paste, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Cook it on high heat until it turns golden brown. Two teaspoons mild red chili powder to enhance color. 2 tablespoons coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or pomegranate powder. A pinch of black salt. If it sticks to the pan, splash in some hot water to loosen it up. Lower the heat and add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. A bit of hot water to help cook the spices. Roast the spices until the oil starts separating from the mix. That's your sign. It's ready. Now, add the tomato, ginger garlic paste. Season with salt to taste. Cook it down until the paste thickens, darkens a bit, and the ghee separates again. This will take 10 to 15 minutes, maybe more. Be patient. This step builds flavor. You can splash in some hot water if it starts to dry out too soon. Once you see the texture turn grainy and the oil separates, it's time to add the chickpeas. Mix everything well. At this point, the curry will be a bit thin. We want it thicker, like that grainy diner-style consistency. To finish it off, dry roast 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves in a pan. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. Then crush it between your palms and add it in. It gives the dish that signature flavor. Let it cook for 7 to 8 more minutes on high. If it's still not thick enough, here's a trick. Smash a few chickpeas right in the pot. It'll thicken the gravy fast. Slice 2 green chilies, a pinch of warm spice mix, traditionally known as garam masala. Toss in a few ginger juliennes. And a generous handful of fresh chopped cilantro. Stir it up. If you want, you can add a finishing temper, traditionally known as tadka, with clarified butter and red chili, but that's optional. Our chickpea curry is looking absolutely gorgeous. Let's plate it up E&T style. This was such a blast to cook and eat. The flavors are amazing. You've got to try it. I bet everyone who tastes it is going to ask where you got the recipe from. So give it a shot and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that like button. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to E&T for more awesome recipes. Enjoy cooking this delicious meal at home. Cheers! We'll meet on our next flavorful episode. Bye-bye.